In this video, you will quickly learn how to change fonts in your Squarespace website. Next to font pack, click switch button. Select any font pack you like. You can click this video to learn more about font packs and the difference between serif and sans serif fonts in Squarespace. For example, I select Omnus Pro font and you see that it is instantly applied on my website. Under global text styles, you can also select some different font for headings, paragraphs, buttons and miscellaneous category. Search any font and click to apply it. Go back. Click this video to learn more about all these micro font tweaks such as weight of font, line height, spacing and sizes. On Fonts panel, you also see another section, Assign Styles. Please click this link to watch video to learn more about how Assign Styles work in Squarespace. Through Assign Styles, you can assign some specific font style to your website. For example, you can assign some custom font to title of blog post, site title, site navigation links, as well as text of header button. You can watch these videos by Dozero so that you can professionally change font styles in your Squarespace website.